Tired of chasing dreams that feel just out of reach? There's a hidden power within you, a creative force capable of shaping your reality. It's not about luck, wishing, or hoping. It's about understanding and harnessing the law of attraction. Do you yearn for a life filled with abundance, love, and fulfillment? The secret to achieving your desires lies not in external actions, but in the mastery of your own mind. You are not a passive observer of life. You are its active creator. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your reality. The world you see around you is a reflection of your inner world. By understanding this fundamental truth, you can harness the power to change your life almost instantly. Assume a world where your desires manifest effortlessly and rapidly. This is not a fantasy. It's a potential reality waiting to be claimed. The key lies in the art of assumption. Assume you already possess what you desire. Feel the emotions associated with your wish fulfilled as if it were happening right now. This mental shift is the catalyst for variation. Your subconscious mind is a powerful ally. It cannot differentiate between imagination and reality. By consistently dwelling in the feeling of your desire, you're sending a clear message to the universe. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you shift your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to faith, your external reality will align accordingly. Let go of doubt and disbelief. Trust in the infinite intelligence within you. Believe in your ability to create the life of your dreams. Let's explore this method in greater depth and discover the steps to rapid manifestation. At the core of these techniques is the principle that imagination creates reality. By harnessing the power of your imagination, you can shape your world according to your desires. Your thoughts and emotions, vividly assumed, have the power to bring about real changes in your external reality. The key lies in focusing on what you want, rather than on what you don't want. The first step on this journey is to have a clear and specific desire. To manifest something quickly, you need to know exactly what you want. Vague wishes result in vague outcomes. Whether it's a new job, a loving relationship, financial abundance, or improved health, clarity is crucial. Write down your desire in detailed terms. Be as specific as possible, as if you are placing a detailed order with the universe. Next, you need to enter a state akin to sleep, also known as the state of reverie or the drowsy state. This state bridges the conscious and subconscious mind, making the latter more receptive to suggestions. Achieving this state can be done through relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or meditation. Allow your mind to drift into a calm and relaxed state, free from distractions. Once in this state, vividly assume your desire as if it has already been fulfilled. Use all your senses to create a mental scene that implies the fulfillment of your desire. See it, feel it, hear it, smell it, and taste it. Make this mental scene as real and detailed as possible. For instance, if you are manifesting a new home, assume walking through each room, feeling the texture of the walls, smelling the fresh paint, and hearing the sounds within your home. The more sensory rich and detailed your mental scene, the more powerful it becomes. Feeling the emotions associated with the fulfillment of your desire is crucial. Emotions are the driving force behind manifestations. Feel the joy, excitement, gratitude, and relief as if your desire has already manifested. These feelings must be genuine and intense. This emotional charge propels your desire into reality. The subconscious mind, which does not distinguish between real and assumed experiences, will accept this vivid, emotionally charged scene as reality and set the creative process in motion. Repetition is another vital aspect of this technique. Repeatedly visualize your desire in the state akin to sleep, reinforcing the belief that it is already a reality. This repetition solidifies the impression on your subconscious mind, making your desire a dominant part of your inner world. Consistency and persistence are key. Even if doubts or negative thoughts arise, continue to focus on your desired outcome with unwavering faith. This isn't about forcing the universe to bend to your will. It's about aligning yourself with the natural flow of abundance. You are not separate from the universe. You are an integral part of it. When you change your inner world, the outer world responds accordingly. Focus on the feeling of your desire fulfilled. This is the key. Emotions are the language of the universe. When you feel joy, gratitude, or peace associated with your desire, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe. Let go of the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe knows the perfect timing for your manifestation. Your role is to plant the seed of your desire and allow it to grow naturally. Understand that setbacks are part of the process. They are opportunities for growth and learning. Don't let them deter you from your path. Keep your focus on the end goal, and you will overcome any challenges. You are a powerful creator. Believe in your ability to manifest your dreams. The universe is always conspiring in your favor. Ultimately, the key to instant manifestation lies in mastering your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. By understanding the power of your imagination and using it intentionally, you can create the life you desire. Practice these techniques consistently and with unwavering faith, and watch as your dreams become your reality. The journey of manifestation is a continuous process of growth and self-discovery. Think of each moment, learn from each experience, and enjoy the unfolding of your desires. You are the creator of your reality, and the power to manifest your dreams lies within you. Trust in yourself, trust in the process, and believe that all your desires are already yours. Emphasize the importance of keeping a journal to track your progress and reflections. Documenting your journey can provide valuable insights and help you stay focused on your goals. It allows you to look back and see how far you've come, reinforcing your belief in the manifestation process. Visualization exercises can also be enhanced by incorporating daily rituals. Create a morning or evening routine that includes a few minutes of visualization and affirmation practice. This consistency can deepen your connection to your desires and keep your focus sharp. Incorporating gratitude exercises into your daily life can amplify your manifestation efforts. Start and end your day by listing things you are grateful for. This practice shifts your focus to the positive aspects of your life, raising your vibration and attracting more of what you appreciate. Visualization can also be supported by vision boards. Create a visual representation of your desires using images, words, and symbols that resonate with you. Place your vision board where you can see it daily, allowing it to serve as a constant reminder of your goals and the life you are creating. This visual reinforcement helps keep your mind focused and motivated. Meditation is another powerful tool in the manifestation process. Regular meditation helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and increase your overall sense of well-being. It also creates a receptive state in which you can more easily impress your desires upon your subconscious mind. There are many guided meditations specifically designed for manifestation that you can incorporate into your practice. Daily affirmations and mantras can support your desires. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reinforce your belief in your desired reality. For example, you can say, "I am attracting wealth and abundance. I am in perfect health," or "I am surrounded by love and positive energy." Repeating these affirmations daily helps to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your vibration with your desires. Energy alignment is another key factor. Everything in the universe is made up of energy, and your thoughts and feelings emit a frequency that attracts similar frequencies. To align your energy with your desires, focus on raising your vibration through practices that make you feel good. This can include activities such as exercise spending time in nature, engaging in creative pursuits, and practicing self-care. The higher your vibration, the more easily you can attract your desires. Stay in a state of flow and allow the universe to work its magic. Forcing or controlling the manifestation process can create resistance and block the flow of energy. Trust that the universe knows the best way to bring your desires to fruition. Surrender to the process and remain open and receptive to the signs and opportunities that come your way. This is a journey of self-discovery. You are peeling back layers to uncover the true power within you. It's about understanding that you are not limited by external circumstances. Your potential is boundless. This technique is not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and consistent practice. Results may vary, but the variation you undergo is invaluable. Trust the process and allow the magic to unfold in its own time. The universe is abundant. There is more than enough for everyone. Your job is to align your consciousness with that abundance. Believe in your worthiness to receive all that life has to offer. As you progress on this path, you'll notice shifts in your perception, your emotions, and your reality. These are signs that you are on the right track. Celebrate these small victories. Keep experimenting, refining your technique, and most importantly, enjoying the journey. Manifestation is not just about achieving your goals, it's about becoming the best version of yourself. This is just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Continue to explore, learn, and grow. You have the power to create a life beyond your wildest dreams. Additionally, feel free to leave a comment below sharing your thoughts and experiences. Your feedback helps me create content that resonates with you. Lastly, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the power of manifestation together.